Welcome back to the channel. Last video we showed the top 10 fastest cars. Now let's check out the 10 fastest bikes in the world. Wait till number 1. At number 10, the Yamaha R1, top speed 299 kilometers per hour, a legendary superbike. Number 9, the Honda Fireblade, 299 kilometers per hour, a track-focused machine. Number 8, the BMW S1000RR, 303 kilometers per hour, aggressive design plus speed. Number 7, the Ducati V4R, 305 kilometers per hour. Now it gets serious. Pure racing DNA. Number 6, the Aprilia RS V4, 305 kilometers per hour, a lightweight beast. Number 5, the MV Agusta, 312 kilometers per hour. Top 5 starts now, an Italian masterpiece. Number 4, the Suzuki Hayabusa, 312 kilometers per hour, the speed legend. Number 3, the Kawasaki ZX-1R, 335 kilometers per hour. These are insane, built for straight line speed. Number 2, the Kawasaki Ninja H2, 336 kilometers per hour, a supercharged monster. And at number 1, the Kawasaki H2R, over 400 kilometers per hour. This is not street legal, insane speed. Like, subscribe and comment what should be the next top 10. Follow for more insane videos.